Hey everyone, it's Annie from CarStereoChick.com, and today I just wanted to go over a neat installation that we did adding Apple CarPlay to a 2012 Range Rover. And we did this using an interface from manufacturer called ZZ2. This functions via the vehicle's existing aux input. We've gone ahead and we've actually flush mounted a USB input for the client inside their center console here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually connect my phone right now to that USB input. And there is Apple CarPlay, and as you can see, this is fully functional through the factory touchscreen controls. If you want to pull up playlists, you can pull everything up. To learn more about an interface like this, and if we have something that would work with your vehicle, check us out at soundsincrediblemobile.com. And if you like this video, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.